So today we're going to be looking at evaluating 3x3 determinants. Okay, and this is a fairly standard question, and if you can get your head round it, then these are relatively easy marks. Okay, so we have A, which is a 3x3 matrix here, and we have to find the minimum value of the determinant of A over B. Okay, well, let's just have a quick look, a reminder of how we evaluate a 3x3 determinant. And here we go, it's here. So basically, if we have a determinant here, then what we do is we start here with A, and we multiply that by the determinant of that little 2x2 there, and then we take away B times the determinant of this little 2x2 here, and then we add C times the determinant of this little 2x2 here. Now, I've always found this formula to be relatively easy to remember. I don't quite know why, but it seems fairly logical. It's that one, take away that one, add that one times the relative, the respective small 2x2 determinants. So all we've got to do is use this formula here on the determinant of this matrix here. So where the matrix would be 2b 1b squared, sorry, the determinant would be b squared, b squared add 1b 1b2, and we just have to use this formula here. And what that is going to give us, doing the first one here, that will be 2 times that minus that times that. So that will be 2 times by b squared add 1 times 2 minus b squared, minus b, which is going to be that one times that minus that times that, which is this second one here, minus b times 2b minus b, and then add 1, which is the third one here, and we do this little 2x2 determinant here, add 1 times by b squared minus bracket b squared add 1, and that is basically the determinant of this 3x3 matrix here. And all we've got to do now is just simplify, so that becomes 2b squared add 2, we do have to be careful with the brackets and stuff, minus b squared, and then this last one here, b squared minus b squared is minus 1, and that equals 2b squared add 4 minus b squared minus 1, which equals b squared plus 3, and that is the determinant of A, also written as det A. Basically just using this and following that rule there. Okay, now that we have determinant of A, we have to find the minimum value of determinant of A over B. Well, so determinant of A over B is equal to b squared over B add 3 over B, which equals B add 3 over B, and we need to find the minimum value of that. Okay, so let's let that equal y, so y equals B add 3 over b, and what we're going to do is we're going to differentiate that, so dy db equals 1 minus 3 over b squared, and that will be at a minimum when that equals 0, i.e. when b squared equals 3, i.e. b equals plus or minus root 3, but we are told here that b is greater than 0, so therefore we know that the minimum value is when b equals root 3. And all we need to do now is stick that back in to what the value of det A over b is, and det A over b was b plus 3 over root b, so therefore det A over b minimum is when b equals root 3, so that equals root 3 add 3 over root 3, which equals 2 root 3, which is answer, if we go all the way back to the top, answer A. Okay, now if you can get your head around this formula here for evaluating 3x3 determinants, most of the questions that you will find, you have a matrix, you have to evaluate the determinant, you have to do something with the determinant, which is relatively simple algebra, and then you move on to the next question. Okay, well, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please like the video by pressing the little thumbs up button and subscribe to the Gresty Academy YouTube channel.